A lot of people are asking, how do you subscribe? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. The first thing you're going to do is go to Google. Once you're in Google, type in Gmail. If you already have a Gmail account, you're halfway there. Click on Gmail. Scroll down and click on Create Account. Here you create your own Gmail account. Put in your name and a username. Don't forget your password. When you're all done, hit Next. Easy peasy, right? They're going to answer more questions. Go ahead and answer them. Then hit Next when you're all done. Don't forget the rules. Scroll down and hit the blue arrow. Make sure you hit Agree or you can't make your own account. Boom! Now you have your own Gmail. At the top, type in YouTube. See those 3 dots up in the screen? Click there. Then we're going to click on Desktop. In Desktop load, you can do so much more. In the search box, type in Nevaehville. Hit search. Look, there I am. This is where you can see my channel in all of my videos. Click on my Nevaehville channel. We're getting to the good stuff. See right there where it says subscribe? Click it. Look, there's a bell. Ring that bell. It's very important. Of course you want notifications for Nevaehville. Make sure to check that box and click save. Every time someone rings that bell, I get a big smile. If you haven't seen any of my videos, make sure to hit play all. Now you can see all my videos back to back. See that thumbs up? Make sure to give it a click. Click on the share button and share it everywhere. You can always copy it and paste it to send it to your friends. You can always click on show more. Here you can find a link to my Facebook page. Down below is where you can comment. I love when people stop and say hello. Please click on each of my videos. On each video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share my video and comment below. That's it, guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for having me, Nevaeh. You're welcome.